going Stony Point first. That way, and French Island is that way. Yeah, it's only a 15-minute crossing from Stony Point. I've probably got about 10 minutes. We're doing about 15 knots. It's about 30 kilometres an hour. You want to go back below?
No.
What? Oh, the big
wait till we get close to the dock. Hold on. Alright, now, don't distract the captain, he's got his window open. Don't yell too loud. Alright, we're at French Island. Pull a 3-point turn in a ferry. Apparently, there used to be a little rail system on the jetty. I guess so, yeah. Narrow gauge. That is interesting. French Island. Certainly an interesting place. Very friendly locals. And yeah, car registration's interesting here. It's saved us from a walk. I think I see a spoonbill out there. There he goes. And yeah, no, we were planning on walking 3k to the general store. And turns out we just got picked up by some locals that were driving around. And looks like, where are we? That is our lift back home. No, come on, we don't have time. Okay.